memories probably in primary school. I played Joseph in School Nativity because I was the tallest in my class. And then at the end of year 6 we did a school play and I played a pirate and that was a lot of fun. I was pirate 2. I was upset I didn't get pirate 1, it's fine. And then in year 7 I started doing drama as part of my lessons, which was amazing. I'd never really kind of done lessons like this before. So I carried that up until my A-levels. For year 9 we did Metamorphosis for the Christmas play. And that was really exciting, being involved in like a longer production, and yeah. But always in performance, it's something that I just loved. I loved performing, I loved making work. In secondary school it was mostly focused on devising and making work with a group, which I just thought was a really exciting way to make work. I decided to do a degree in drama and performance, or I originally started by doing drama and English, but midway through my first year I just realised I wanted to drop the English side of it, so I carried on doing drama and performance at Sussex University, which again was amazing. Lots of devising, making in groups, creating really exciting work that we wanted to make as a group. I guess I'd wanted to act, but then I think because so much of my drama and theatre exposure had been in devising, I knew that that was the thing I really wanted to get involved with, so I ended up doing a master's at Central in, it was called Advanced Theatre Practice, so that was again a devising degree, and I just completed that at the end of 2021. So from that I became part of a theatre company, so we make devised work together. I really love it. I started stage managing last April. I was working on a musical in the Southwark Playhouse. So that was so much fun, and it was something that I hadn't done before, but this amazing theatre company had let me, taken a chance on me, I guess, with assistant stage managing. So from that I've just ended up doing quite a lot of stage management, but it's been really interesting and really fun working on so many productions and meeting so many people, and also exploring lots of different types of theatre that I guess I hadn't really been a part of before. I love stage managing. I would love to carry on doing that, also alongside being able to make work and perform with my theatre company, because I think those things go hand in hand. Just follow your interests and just keep following your instincts about what you're finding interesting, and it's never too late to actually change what you want to do. You might be doing acting and then suddenly, oh, actually stage management's fun, producing's fun. There's so many different ways to get involved in theatre. You don't have to be an actor, but you can do more than one thing.